Sigmar, I just have to say I really did not feel like doing commentary for that match. So that's why there's no commentary. Couldn't be bothered, so yeah, that's why. Anyways, back to the video. Usos promo, it seems. Seth, we hate you. You stabbed us in the back at War Games. And listen, CM Punk, listen, please make him not be champion anymore, so I can have a match on a pay-per-view with that man. Yeet. Okay? Because that man, he's never going to agree to fight me. Me and Big Jim on a match against him and Finn Balor at WrestleMania. But we know sure as hell that Seth is not gonna want to do 2 matches on a show again. The only reason he did 2 matches last time was so he could milk us and he could betray us. Leave the Shield, leave the Bloodline, leave the Usos behind. Yeet, alright? And listen, so this time, he has none of that to do. None. And listen, Seth and Finn, I really need to talk to y'all so we can have this match at WrestleMania. Alright? Because we need it. Ain't that right, Big Jim? Yeet. So, if you don't mind me asking, Seth, Finn, get y'all asses out of here. Oh yeah. 2 words for you. One, can't speak. 2 words for you. Suck it. And also, another word on top of that. Yeet. You want a tag team match against the greatest tag team in history. Well, hate to be the guy to break it to you, but that's not gonna happen. Because, you see, the only reason, as you said, it's the first time you've ever been right, first of all. But, yeah, I only worked 2 matches because I wanted to whoop CM Punk's ass. And I also needed to stab y'all in the back, okay? So this time, do you really expect me to be working 2 nights on WrestleMania? Exactly. How about we do the tag match on night 1, and you can still get your match against CM Punk in the main event of WrestleMania on night 2. You good with that one? No. Listen here. My man, shut up, Finn. Gotta agree with Jimmy on that one. Just shut up, Seth. Shut up, Finn. Get the hell out. Listen, I don't want to ruin our fans' lives by having to listen to y'all talk. So how about we get this party started and whoop some ass? Yeet. Big Jim, you agree with that one? Yeet. No, listen. Me and Dom want in on this tag match for the tag team championships at WrestleMania, baby. Rey Mysterio. Every single luchador. What the fuck do you have to hide behind that mask? Why do you have to wear it? So, Rey Mysterio, get a life. Come over here so I can whoop your ass at WrestleMania #2 in Wembley Stadium. Alright? You versus me. Ah. Yeah. Ah. Okay? Rey. How about let's spice things up a bit. Right now we have for the card, we have the announced matches so far are Seth Rollins versus CM Punk, the Usos. Oh god, that's not revealed yet. I'm still gonna reveal it. The Usos, Seth Rollins, and Jeff Hardy versus the Judgment Day versus bro. No, hold on, I said that wrong. Okay, I can't speak. Alright, stop judging me, idiots. Stop judging me, idiots. Listen, Chicago is the worst state I've ever been in my whole life, okay? I honestly can't wait till we get to Wembley, and it's even worse than the US, alright? I have to go to the UK, and I'm more excited to go to the UK than be here. Anyways, the Usos versus Seth Rollins and Finn Balor versus the Judgment Day of Damian Priest and Dominic Mysterio versus bro. Alright, those are the only 2 confirmed matches. And listen, we're about to confirm another one. Rey Mysterio versus Jeff Hardy. And let's spice things up, but there's not a triple threat yet. Versus a mystery luchador. Are you ready? And who the hell will that luchador be? I guess we will have to